My name's Diana Southey. We've been using Elite for at least 15 years. I think they're very well trained and always friendly, and their work is of very high standard. The work we get Elite to do for us is obviously cleaning of upholstery, carpets, and does the pest control on our catamaran. I feel that the service that Elite provides, it's great. Quite often, we never even bother to get a quote from them. We just know the job will be done in a timely fashion and also at a fair price. So I suppose the difference is just in the service, start to finish. They're just so easy to deal with. And the other thing is I feel that I can just leave the key under the flower pot and they come in and do the work and go. I would have no hesitation whatsoever in recommending them to anybody.